Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm doing a wash day for my daughter after having her braids for 6 weeks. I'm using the Dove Intensive Repair shampoo that the hotel had. This shampoo lathers really well. It's a clarifying shampoo. It's got disodium EDTA, which removes all the chlorine minerals. So this is just after 6 weeks in braids, and we had gone on holiday. We're currently in Barcelona, and if you haven't watched the videos on how I took down her braids, you can watch it here. So you can see the shampoo is really lathering. Her hair had been detangled. So what I did was the sections that I detangled it into, I just washed the hair in those sections. So I did a second shampoo. The first shampoo I had rinsed it out. This was the second time, and you can see that it's lathering even more. Like I said, it's a deep cleansing shampoo and it lathers really well. So I had to take out all the oil that was in her hair because we use oils to detangle her hair. So after I gave her a good scrub, then we rinsed out. So now she's rinsing out her hair. So guys, I'm also teaching my daughter how to be able to wash her hair herself. So I help her. As you can see, I'm getting her to feel, the hair and everything. One thing my daughter is not scared of water. She loves water. You guys have seen her in past videos. She loves water, so she's not worried about water going on her face. And I know that in no time she's going to be washing her hair herself. So I'm using the Equibotanics deep conditioner, the babassu oil deep conditioner. So as you can see, we're using a sample size. We didn't have much because we're on holiday. So I'm really mizing it, emulsifying it and putting it. But even that little went a long way, guys. I'm telling you, this product is so moisturizing and it really helps condition the hair. But because we had already detangled, I wasn't too worried about the detangling because I knew that it wouldn't be too difficult. So I'm also teaching my daughter how to comb her hair. She's still learning, so she's not used to it. Yes. So I told her that she should hold the hair and then try and comb from the tips and then go upwards. So I showed her, I demonstrated that you comb from the tips and then you go upwards. So I want her to feel, the way, hold it and then comb so that she understands what's happening. I know she's still young, but teach them young. I didn't learn how to comb my hair at this age, but I don't think there's any harm in showing her how to do it. But I took over from her and I just went through the whole hair. So as I had said earlier, we detangled her hair before we washed it, which meant that the hair had less tangles, which is always a good thing. Guys, I would advise you that before you wash your child's hair, if you can detangle it first, that will make a big difference. Again, it depends on how they've been wearing the hair prior to washing it. But usually once it's more than 3 weeks, I think detangling first is the best thing. So I got her to rinse her hair. This is very easy for her to do. She knows what to do. I tell her to push the hair back as she rinses. She don't scatter the hair when she's rinsing. Just raise it up gradually. Make sure the water is touching all the hair and rinsing and squeezing. So she did a good job. And that's it. We're going to wrap it now and then go to styling. Okay, so now we're styling with the rice water leave-in conditioner from Mielle Organics. This leave-in conditioner contains protein, for anyone that doesn't know. So when you're using it, you have to be mindful. If you're using protein in other ways, just be mindful because too much protein can break your hair. We didn't have any problem with this product, but because I've been hearing people complaining about Mielle, I'm just letting you guys know that sometimes it might be protein, it might not just be the product, it might just be the ingredients in the product that you're not aware of that you're using. So I love this leave-in conditioner because it's very moisturizing, but it's also light. I don't really like heavy products on our hair because we have fine strands. So as you can see, I'm just combing through again. It's like Afro hair never stops needing to be combed. That's why it's good to just put it in a style and then keep it away so you don't need to keep combing, because afro hair will always need to be combed. First section is nearly done, and the plan was to put the hair into 3 single plaits. We're trying to work with time because we had a flight to catch. So we intend to keep this style for a few days before I do her proper back to school hairstyle. So I parted the second section, and then I'm going to plait both of them into single plaits. So guys, like I said, we're about to catch a flight. Do you guys think we caught that flight or not? Let me know in the comments. I'm going to tell you at the end. If you stay till the end, I'll tell you if we caught that flight or not. Second section done, going to the third section. So guys, as I was saying, so on this day, it was not because of our hair, but we hired a car and we needed to return that car to the car hire people. Somehow I was saying to my husband, let me go, they should drop me at the airport and then he should go and drop the car and come back, because we had luggage to check in. But my husband was like, oh, you always like to just run and leave people. Let's all go together. We all went together to car hire place. They needed a van to take us to the airport. Guys, by the time we got to the airport, the UK has left EU, so we're in Spain. So because we're no more in EU, we needed to be at the airport before 1 hour. Before it used to be 40 minutes, but now 1 hour for UK flights. We missed our flight though. Thank God I had checked in, so we're able to run. Me and the kids were able to run. He was stuck with the luggage. He had to take another flight to come back.
This one.
Where are we going?
Home.
So yeah, because it was too late to drop our bags, somebody had to go with the bags. So 4 of us flew and he came back with the bags. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next one. Bye for now.